Hi, my name is Adriane, and I was in a snowboarding accident in January of this year, and I didn't realize that I was injured until I exacerbated the injury because I work out quite a bit. And once that happened, I was pretty much unable to do most of the things that I love to do. I am a competitive wake surfer, and so my competitive season was being threatened because I couldn't go out on the water without significant pain after surfing. So I came to Dr. Gary's office and basically let them know what was going on. I was concerned that if I couldn't surf, which is my livelihood, I also couldn't do a lot of other things. I like to weight train, I like to run, I like to bike. I like to hike. I like to do a lot of outside activities, and all of those are being threatened by this injury. What I came to find out was that I had a pretty significant rotation dislocation in my pelvic area, and Dr. Gary put me on a pretty rigorous regimen to come very, very often for a very short amount of time because my season was starting. And much to my delight and surprise, actually, by the time my competitive season came around, I was feeling almost 100% better. I was no longer going out on the water with pain. I was coming off the water feeling great. I was more flexible. I was able to do my rotations without any pain, which I was having. But even better was that I also have bad knees, and I found that my knees were feeling better too. So it wasn't just the injury that he treated other things that I was just basically assuming I was always going to have pain in those areas. He also noticed that I had no full rotation in my neck, and that improved as well. So things have just gone up from there. I'm now competing in more competitions this coming season, and I don't have these concerns and these fears that I'm not going to be able to surf to my best ability. So it's been pretty fantastic. Well, quite honestly, I really believe in chiropractic. I've been going to chiropractors for a long time. I think that Dr. Gary's approach is by far the best approach that I've experienced. It's not just about going in for the adjustment and saying, okay, we'll see you in a couple weeks. It's about addressing, far more than just the one thing that you think you're going in for. I had never had a chiropractor do a very, I don't want to call it regimented, but there was a very specific set of appointments that he wanted me to come for. So I was like, I think it was 3 weeks. I was coming 3 times a week, and then down to 2 times a week for 2 weeks, and then down to once a week for a week. And it was just like night and day from the first appointment to the last. And so, the approach that Dr. Gary takes is very comprehensive and very detailed, and he really doesn't miss anything. Chiropractic isn't just about when you're in pain. It's about living a healthy lifestyle. Chiropractic can help you just live a comfortable and happy life, because we don't realize all the things that we do to our spine just from walking around all day or sitting at a desk all day. And just those little adjustments once a month, even once every other month, is so amazing. Like it's the difference that you feel when you actually go in for maintenance rather than just waiting until you're injured.